Hey, beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Akriti, your go to all the things beads, creativity, and little handmade treasures. I run a small business called Miti Beads, and I'm so excited to have you here today because we are making something super cute, a phone charm. It's the perfect little accessory to add some aesthetic vibe to your phone. So let's get into it. Okay, let's talk about materials. You don't need anything fancy. First up, we have the string. You can use any kind you like, but I'm going for a simple one today. Next, we have this little charm holder hoop. It's so cute and you can easily find it online or any craft store. Trust me, it's the perfect touch for making this phone charm extra special. Beads, my favorite part. I've got these adorably clay beads, some pearls, and of course these tiny heart-shaped beads that are just too cute to resist. Oh, and of course a trusty pair of scissors to trim off any loose ends when we are done. Don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Now the fun begins. I'm starting with these little clay beads. I'm going for a random mix of colors here because I'm feeling playful today. Adding in some pearls, sprinkle in some hearts, and boom, a little burst of joy on a string. Can we just talk about how therapeutic this is? Like you're literally just threading these little beads on a string, but it feels so good. Plus the colors. Don't you just love how it all starts coming together? It's like a little bead therapy session. Alright, once you've done and got your beads in place, it's time to tie a knot at the end. Make sure it's nice and tight. Don't want all your hard work to fall apart, then grab your scissors and snip off the extra thread. Now, here's where the magic happens. Grab your jump ring. If you've watched my previous videos or you already know these little guys are the key to connecting everything. Open it up and slide it through your charm holder. So cute, right? Now we are just going to thread this little charm through the jump ring like so, and voila! Just give the jump ring a little squeeze with some pliers or close it up nice and tight. Don't want this cutie falling off mid-snap, right? Okay, almost done. Now here comes the best part, attaching your new charm to your phone. So my phone's camera is busy recording, but I'm going to show you on my phone case instead. See this cute little hole? You're going to thread your charm through it just like this. Look at that. How adorable is this? It adds the perfect aesthetic vibe to your phone. And every time you look at it, you'll smile because you made it yourself. Plus, it's totally unique. No one else will have this exact charm. And now, for a little surprise, the 3 best comments will get a free phone charm made by me. So don't forget to drop your thoughts below and of course, hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. So if you like this video, it keeps me motivated to keep creating for you all. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay creative, stay inspired, and keep shining.